Best hotel with best location for Indians. Indians should book this hotel as nearby metro and food. Just inform them you need Indian toilet. They LL provide and hotel staff is so very much helpful. I love this hotel. Best for business. Best for business. Mr. Great service. Good place. Everything close by. Language is a barrier and so is WhatsApp. Good was good. Thank you so much for upgrading our rooms. We stayed in 1301 for 4 nights and it was awesome. Value for money. Recommended to stay. Exceptional nice living. High CP rate. Highly recommended. Rooms are small but nice location. Exceptional. The hotel is easy to go by MRT and it very close to Chinese restaurant. The staff in the hotel at night can speak English. Great bang for you buck. This hotel is actually in a great location. There is an awesome Irish pub around the corner, 5 minutes walk, if you are craving Western food. Plenty of shopping, bars and restaurants around. It's about a 5-minute walk from Taojin metro station. The hotel is extremely nice. Room was nice and clean, and modern. Staff was friendly, helpful and spoke English well. I will definitely stay here again in the future.